Hello, I'm Paul Miller with Nilfisk CFM Industrial Vacuums. I'd like to introduce you to the model A15. The CFM A15 is a high-performing compressed air vacuum cleaner. Its low air consumption, compact and maneuverable design make it especially useful in environments where electricity is unavailable or undesirable. I'd like to take this opportunity to go through the specifications of this product for you now. The A15 comes equipped with a 30-foot, half-inch diameter air line. When operating at peak performance, the air consumption at 90 psi is only 30 CFM. Water lift at 90 psi reaches 157 inches, while the airflow at the same pressure is 99 CFM. The HEPA filter has an 11.8 square foot surface area, while the oversized main filter is 7.5 square feet. For this performance, it achieves only 70 decibels of noise level. The machine comes equipped with a 2-inch diameter inlet and has an overall collection tank capacity of 6.6 gallons. Its compact size is only 19.7 inches long, 21.6 inches wide, and has an overall height of 37.4 inches, and weighs only 53 pounds. Now I'd like to show you some of the features of the Model A15. I'd like to start with the connection of the hose and coupler assembly, and then work my way through the collection and filtration system. The hose and coupler assembly is easily removed from the collection container and inlet assembly by depressing the release lever and sliding the coupler out. To reinstall, just insert into the orifice and it will lock securely in place. Prior to accessing the collection container, be mindful that you need to remove the hose and coupler from the container. Also, make sure you comply with all local, state, and federal regulations for personal protection when accessing a container or a vacuum system that has been exposed to hazardous material. The A15 offers a very easy way to access the collection container. Lift up on the release mechanism and slide the collection container out. This will enable you to access the 2-ply paper bag, which is capable of filtering particles 3 microns in size at 99.7% efficiency. In addition to the paper bag, we line the collection container with a poly liner. This will enable any debris that falls off of the main filter to rest neatly and securely in a plastic bag and assist in the overall emptying process by minimizing any exposure to hazardous materials. Easy disposal is accomplished by gathering the poly liner, removing the paper bag from the inlet tube, and removing the collected contents for disposal. One of the distinguishing differences of the CFM Model A15 is that we dedicate the upper 2/3 of the vacuum cleaner to main filter surface area. This enables the dust particles to move at a relatively slow rate of speed over a large surface area, ensuring longer run times and less maintenance. The main filter is constructed of a polyester material that is configured in a star-like shape. Every filter eventually needs to be renewed or cleaned. This can be accomplished by turning the vacuum system off, accessing the shaking mechanism, and agitating it upwards and downwards to change the geometry of the main filter and release any of the dust-laden particles that have accumulated on the dirty side of the filter down into the lower collection container and renewing the vacuum system's performance. Now I'd like to show you the A15's oversized main filter. To access the main filter, release the latches and remove the motor head assembly. The third and most critical stage of filtration in the Model A15 is a HEPA filter. HEPA stands for High Efficiency Particulate Air and is capable of filtering dusts 0.3 microns in size at 99.97% efficiency. Each filter is individually tested and certified to meet this standard. The filter has over 11.5 square feet of surface area and needs to be replaced on an annual basis. The filter can easily be accessed by removing the main filter and is located right on the interior side of the main filter, securely fastened to the underside of the HEPA plate. Thank you for your time. I hope that this demonstration has been helpful in providing an overview of the CFM Model A15. If you have any additional questions, please contact your local Senior District Sales Manager, District Sales Manager, or call us at 1-800-NILFISK.